zooming. Yeah. It's zooming in all the way. Hang on. Alright, go. Bye.
Okay, people, this is the worst storm ever in history.
No, it's not.
Shut the hell up.
Oh, thanks.
You can literally, like, hear the rain pouring down.
You can always hear the rain pouring
And we're
down.
having a sleep.
You're really gonna ruin this.
No.
So just go away. This is really bad.
We're in Orlando.
We're in Orlando, Florida right now.
Hopefully there aren't any gators coming around.
So just,
Oh my god, my leg! Ah, my leg!
yep,
Eric,
there's lightning coming.
Eric,
Yeah.
play my Pokemon game for me. I'm getting that.
And you can. Oh, there's sirens and ambulance right now coming.
There are lightning.
It's just crazy. It's been going on like this now for like 3 hours. Yep, the whole
sky is pretty much lighting up.
this whole street. There's probably forest fires happening like right now.
No. Well, I mean, it is Orlando.
Yeah.
I mean, it is Orlando,
Oh.
Florida. But there's definitely some lightning bolts. That's the roof of the house. Don't worry, that isn't like fire or anything.
Well, you said it's the worst storm ever, so there's gonna be lightning bolts.
Well, I mean, yeah, but there's no lightning bolt. There's no
Done.
like
You gotta get the
forest
lightning.
because it's raining. Unless it's like poisonous rain or acid rain. Yeah, acid rain from.
Oh, here comes a car.
I come from the west. Hi, Mr. Carr. Hi, Mr. Carr. That's my friend. His name is Bob.
Bob Saget.
Hey,
Oh, that was
I
good.
poodled.
Shall we go film the backyard?
I don't
Yeah.
know if we should go. Let's go to the house.
Yeah, let's go through the house.
Yeah.
We're gonna go film my backyard.
Do not look at the house and not anything.
We're gonna go look at my backyard right now.
Orlando.
First, let me introduce you to the gang over here. There's only 2 kids.
This is the gang.
That's Chad Fuller. That's Mitchell Strozzi.
Sup,
That's
man?
Damon Daly. That's my friend Nick. And this is me, Eric Strozzi. Alright, let's go.
We're going to the second most dangerous part of the storm.
Dude, we're only going to a part of the storm.
Take the watermelon.
And this is my backyard. What's that red light?
Wait a minute.
It's the mirror. Okay, guys, the red light is the mirror, so do not.
Oh, snap.
So don't be like alarmed.
Give me that camera right now.
Why?
I want to tell you something. I want to see this for a sec.
Alright.
Okay. Here is my nickname for everybody. Or this is what people are good at. Nick is the comic. Wait. Nick is the comic.
I'm a comic. What?
Because you're funny.
Okay.
You make lots of jokes.
That's gonna be.
What are you?
I don't know.
What are you good at?
Running. I'm
Okay.
a track.
You're the jogger.
Name something for me.
No, what are you good at?
You're the long-haired kid that provided this water.
He's gonna jump.
No, what are you good at?
Hitting on the lady.
Yes, he is. Okay, let's...
Okay, you're Hitman.
Okay. No, I'm Agent Amon. I'm Agent Amon.
Yeah, and I'm Agent Eric with a parry.
And I guess I'm comic.
Yo, you're comic.
Good name.
Oh, wait. Let's go back to the front yard.
No way, I'm not coming.
Then don't.
Give me that flashlight, Nick.
Alright, we're only gonna do a couple more minutes of this.
As you can see, this storm is really deadly right now. Oh my god. Oh my god, Bob.
Saget.
Bob. Yep, he's dead. Oh, poor Bob. We will always remember him. And have this. We're filming this. Have this moment of silence for Bob.
It's like a lightning rod when you hold a cell phone out.
Whatever. Okay.
Please stay inside.
Alright.
I think we're done filming for now.
That was the storm. That was the storm. It was pretty bad. As you can see, it was not good. It's gonna go up through the rest of the night. Alright, so later.